Presenting the 2010 Dodge Avenger RT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: vehicle theft security alarm, power trunk release, driver front passenger advanced frontal airbags, leather-trimmed upholstery, Sentry key engine immobilizer, satellite radio capability, electric rear window defroster, headlight off-time delay, and internal emergency trunk release. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.